The single supply solution is the second release out of the Navy's ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning software. What it does is it replaces all our legacy applications that are used to run the Navy's supply chain.
I am currently a logistics management specialist.
I am currently the Deputy Director of the Common Systems IWIST.
I am the Supervisor of the Cab Desk.
I'm the F-18 Air Vehicle Deputy.
I am currently the Director of Enterprise Planning for the Naval Inventory Control Point.
In February of 2010, the first 6 Integrated Weapon System Support Teams will receive Navy ERP Release 1.1.
Our team of professionals have always gotten the job done, even while using obsolete tools. We have had to page through cumbersome manuals and piles of paperwork, operate inefficient computers. Even an assembly line was used to process information. These time-consuming practices are rapidly becoming things of the past.
I harken back to when we used typewriters to type our 1348-1s. Well, now we're using computers. What we have today is much of it's written in COBOL, and the COBOL programmers have kind of gone away. And so to make a change to the system, or if the system breaks, the body of knowledge has kind of gone away to fix the system. And we're the largest and most effective supply chain in the world. We need to make sure we have good systems, and we need to upgrade to be able to keep up with the times.
We have made incredible progress. Thanks to Navy Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, we are now moving forward with efficiency and speed toward the single supply solution.
Today, our supply system is effective, but it's not efficient. So by allowing the replacement of our legacy hardware and the incorporation of best business practices, we can gain that needed efficiency to help our warfighter.
It's probably one of the biggest changes that has happened at NAVSUP, I would think probably in the history of the organization.
It will encompass everything we do today in the supply system.
If we didn't upgrade the supply system and continue with the newest technology, we'd definitely fall behind in getting the parts and the supplies out to the ships.
The NAVSUP workforce has shown that they can deliver time and again. Through resiliency, foresight, and proficiency, NAVSUP has kept its eye on target, helping to support the world's best Navy, no matter the challenge. Our business supporting the warfighter remains consistent. We are using up-to-date tools, ensuring what we do continues to be of the highest quality.
How you process a requisition yesterday, it's still the same flow, the same kind of documentation. It's just seeing it in a new screen, and it's that learning curve, and which buttons to push is where we're going to come in with the training.
With ERP coming on board, this is going to be a single supply solution that all departments will be able to use and see everything from start to finish. The fleet will be able to see where their assets are. The manager will be able to go into the system and see exactly where it is. It has a tracking number. They'll be able to see what building it arrived at, who signed for it, and what time. We're all using the same system, and we can all see the same thing.
While the single supply solution brings prospects for improved processes and greater visibility into the supply chain, it also brings with it the apprehension of learning something new.
Apprehension is normal. You have a system that you're familiar with, you've been working with for many years. So don't fight the apprehension, but decide what's the best thing to do about it.
They will be able to do their jobs because we've designed and developed the system according to what our experts have told us it should do, and we've tested it that way.
To the people who are going live in February 2010, I would just encourage them to try to embrace the new system.
The bottom line, we need to do what is best for the warfighter so they get what is needed.
I think our fleet customers have become very accustomed to a very responsive and very customer-oriented focus of the workforce, and we can't let that kind of slip through the cracks.
And ERP is the system that will furnish us with the capabilities to move forward, allowing us to help keep our Navy afloat for years to come.
When 1.1 comes out, there's going to be some time after it initially comes out that there's going to be refinements. I think that's where the expertise of the workforce is going to come in through ways of offering recommendations, and the knowledge base is absolutely critical. We can't discount the amount of expertise and the amount of insight that they have into what it takes to support the fleet.
Although we are advancing with incredible speed, Steps are being taken to carefully test our progress along the way.
The vast majority of all of our testing to date has been successful. Functionally, I see the system doing what we defined for it to do.
NAVSUP ERP teams are in the final stages of testing the solution. This is an important stage of testing as it proves that the solution actually works. Soon thereafter, training will bring the end users into the system, allowing them to try out the solution for themselves, beginning with the employees who will go live in February 2010. A combination of instructor-led and web-based training will be administered. Additionally, the training curriculum will be grouped logically, so learning will mimic sequential work processes performed today. A number of resources are available, allowing employees to explore and learn what ERP can do to enhance our supply system.
Bottom line here is that it's not NAVSUP, it's not NAVICP, it's a Navy-wide program.
NAVSUP provides world-class, first-rate service to the warfighter. By implementing ERP, we are announcing ourselves to industry in a way that really makes NAVSUP stand out. We're first in class.
I think the NAVIC employees, once ERP is implemented and they're trained, will be fantastic with it. They'll make it a success.